Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Notion AI, even if you're brand new to it. By the end, you'll know not only what Notion AI can do, but also how to unlock its full power to streamline your workflow, enhance your content, and get more done with less effort. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or just someone looking to get organized, this tutorial will help you get started with Notion AI confidently. So let's dive in. First, what exactly is Notion AI? Well, Notion AI is an artificial intelligence tool that's seamlessly built into your Notion workspace. Think of it like having a smart assistant right inside Notion, ready to help you write, summarize, find information, and manage databases almost instantly. With Notion AI, you can generate brand new content, continue writing where you left off, or polish up what you already have. It's like having a second brain, always ready to help. Now, let's see how you access Notion AI. Over on the left pane of your Notion dashboard, you'll find Notion AI. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a dedicated chat box, a space where you can type and ask anything. Imagine you're having a conversation with your own personal writing coach or data analyst. For example, if you're stuck trying to word an email or a blog post, just write, "Continue writing this for me," and Notion AI will jump in with fresh ideas. Or maybe you've drafted a long document and it feels a bit messy. You can ask Notion AI to summarize, rewrite, translate, or polish your text. It's especially handy when you need to quickly extract the key points or action items from a meeting note or a long article. Here's one of my favorite features, AI blocks. These let you embed AI-powered tasks directly within your pages. So if you're working in a team doc or planning a project, you can set up AI blocks to automatically pull highlights, offer suggestions, or summarize tasks for you, right where you need them. If you're searching through your Notion workspace or even connected apps, Notion AI allows you to use natural language. That means you don't have to remember any awkward search terms or complex filters. Just type what you're looking for, like "find all my meeting notes from last month," and Notion AI will dig them up for you. For databases, Notion AI can actually autofill properties based on your page content. This is huge if you manage long lists of tasks, projects, or clients. It'll analyze each page and suggest the priority, status, or even the tags, saving you tons of manual work. Now, you can also access Notion AI from within any page. If you look at the bottom right of your workspace, you'll notice a small Notion AI icon. Give that a click, and you'll see the same set of uses available, so you're never far from a helpful hand. Another cool way to leverage Notion AI is when you're creating something from scratch. In your private workspace, just click Add New in the left pane. Imagine you want help with project planning, so type "Give me a content calendar," and Notion AI will build one for you. It's like having a ready-made template, instantly tailored to your needs. And that's really it. Notion AI isn't just a gimmick. It's a powerful tool to help you work smarter, not harder. If a part takes a few moments to generate, don't worry. That's just Notion thinking things through. Feel free to experiment and see what kind of suggestions Notion AI comes up with. You might be surprised by how creative and useful they are. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more advanced tips. And don't forget to subscribe for even more useful Notion guides. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with Notion AI.